Transco FastConnect is a revolutionary electrical wiring solution, promising easy connection in seconds. This is Transco FastConnect Switch, Model 1cc, using twin active cable. Insert twin active cable into Terminal 1 and Terminal C. Loop Terminal C to next switch if any. Insert suitable round shaft and push across to lock. For next switch, insert SDI cable into Terminal 1. No stripping, no twisting, no trimming, no bending, no screwing, no fault. This is Transco FastConnect Switch, Model 1cc, using figure 8 cable. Insert positive cable into Terminal C. Insert switched positive cable into Terminal 1. Loop Terminal C to next switch. Insert suitable round shaft and push across to lock. Do the same on next switch. No stripping, no twisting, no trimming, no bending, no screwing, no fault. Transco FastWire connector can join conductors easily. Just insert the wires and clamp. With award-winning Transco FastConnect, the perfect cable connection is always moments away.